Salishashti and Takradhara performance is here.
Yes, right? So he is doing alone to this patient.
Nice. Steam bath.
Sarvam Shwedan.
Nice.
For steam bath. Same procedure here we are giving Sarvam Abhyan.
Sarvangabhyam. Same like that. Okay. Okay.
Please explain again this one.
What? Droni?
Yeah, he
You
want
can order from online also.
No, I mean
to explain that what's this procedure and how can we know about it.
Okay, Sarvang Abhyang means mainly in Panchakarma we do it is a primary procedure. It is a pre-procedure. So we do Sarvang Abhyang for those that we in our Ayurveda we have dosas, Bhat Pit Kafno. To bring it to coastal, we do Sarvang Abhyang and Shwedan. So in this table, this is called as Droni. We used to do Sarvang Abhyang, or we can do Prashtadhara also. It is a form of that Abhyang only. And Sarvang Shwedan in the steam bath we do on this
Steam bath. Okay. This is Nadi Swedan.
This is only the
what is it good for?
Yeah.
it is good for the perception, no? Actually,
Dryness for dryness.
Fever, the simple concept is that when we are having fever, our throats are blocked, channels are blocked. So to relieve it out, we have to do Sarvang Abhyang and Shwedan. So that the channels will open and sweating will be coming out. Right?
Hanji.
Out of your mouth, the toxic ones. Basically, first we have to prepare the patient. Preparation needs like giving him something called yavagu, pay, and all. For his Agni. Agni is basically the fire of the body, which actually digests your food and provides us energy. So, firstly, we have to basically light up that fire properly, and then we have to give yavagu, pay, and all to that the doshas, basically the toxic materials, which goes in our all the system. We have to first bring that in our GI tract, the gastrointestinal tract. Then, after administering certain drugs, we have to make them a forced vomiting. This is the droni, where the vomiting takes place, and all the doshas from coast come out. It is very helpful in treating conditions like psoriasis, eczema, and it is very helpful in obese patient in weight loss and weight management. It is a very helpful therapy, and in recent March month, like NIA conducts a Prakritik Vaman for everyone, even for a healthy individual, even for a diseased individual. We create a Prakritik Vaman. तो हमारे यहाँ अभी मार्च में ये होता है थेरेपी 3 दिन की होती है, but the actual Vaman takes place for about 15 days.
15 days.
It requires at least 15-20 days. Same goes for Virechin. The same procedures, administration of drugs, but the different of the pathway. Basically, where we vomit, there we eliminate the doshas from feces. Forced purgation, clearing of intestine, basically a forced diarrhea. Forced diarrhea, which helps us to clear the intestine from the lower side. It helps us to clear the intestine from the upper side.
मैं बाहर बोलता हूँ.
विंडो से देख सकते हो आप लोग यहाँ से.
This Sakradhara, Mahakataka Kshirodhara is going on. We are giving means that card.
Please come. Please come. So. Please. उनको जाने से पहले.
So basically, it is a relaxing procedure. We should not be shouting, and there is no noise should be around this procedure, right? and you can plan you can plan medicated oil, medicated Vatha, Dravya with the specific procedure with specific disease. The specific procedure is allotted, every specific procedure is allotted for every specific disease. So we are planning this patient for insomnia, we are planning Chakradhara. This patient is Chakradhara will be, ideally we are having the insomnia, what the nerve conduction is imbalance, hormonal is imbalance. So we are assessing that it is going to the pituitary and it is relaxing the hormonal imbalance. So we are giving that.
And then where the patient is feeling the pain and all, there we put this and a heat and massage therapy. So it basically helps in arthritis and conditions like bone pain, joint pains. So it's a very helpful therapy. Okay, let's
Patra
continue
pain.
for the next one. Rakta-mokshan and Jaloka Abhacharan.
रक्त मोक्षण एंड जलोका भवचारण.
मेरा दोस्त आ गया.
Wait. Come, see. You must have heard about the leech therapy.
Yes.
Leech therapy. It is also conducted here. The leech therapy is very helpful in treating skin conditions, skin disorders. Any type of skin disorder that is not helpful with medicines, there we Bose conducts leech therapy and also bloodletting. Have you heard about bloodletting? They basically introduce a needle and drain some of the toxic blood out of that.
With the allotment of patient's name, we are keeping bleach. When the patient arrives to us, when the patient arrives, we generally conduct leech therapy for 7 days gap, interval of 7 days. Allocating every patient, every port,
For each patient, a separate leech is used and then it's discarded.
Yeah. It's good and it might not poison. It just starts with blood, which is. कोई याद है blood letting के लिए? Snake में भी करते नहीं?
You must have studied first after saying this.
Oils and liquids in our nose, which helps to clean the tensions, the doshas from mind. So yeah, see, firstly the abhyang is done. Abhyang is done to like basically dosha ubharna, like to eliminate the doshas from there, and then the from this particular equipment, 2 to 5 drops are administered in our nose, and then the patient is sent to wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then the patient have to spit. He does not have to take that particular medicine in. Otherwise, the doshas will again go in the body. So it has to spit it, and then the doshas are cleared from this particular region, from the above the clavicle area. Okay.
This procedure is done for the upper clavicle.
So guys, this is a particular specific garden chamber for the patients who are getting a Panchakarma therapy. For their calmness and reliefness, they can rest here. They can bask in sunlight as said by doctor. And these all are our new friends. Hello.
Not all.